is Jessica Goins, and I work with First Chance for Children. And today I have my helpers,
Deja, Aaliyah,
and we're going to be doing the November kit, which is called Everyday Moment Matters. In this kit, you're going to find a book that's called The 12 Days of Thanksgiving. You're going to find muffins that Aaliyah has here. Each kit has different muffins. We have the banana nut muffins, but you might have a different flavor, and that's perfectly fine. There are snacks, there's a dice for a board game that you can create with your kiddos. There's a muffin pan. There's also little flashcards in here. Scratch like a monkey. This is like a little game that you can play, so it gives you different things that you can do. We also have feeling cards. This is a good month, not even just this month, but anytime to talk about feelings. And so this is a game that you play, and then what happens is when you cut them out, you flip them over, you pick one up, and it says surprise. And so if you have the surprise one, then you will want to show your surprise face. And so this is a good game to play with your kiddos to help talk about feelings. Like I said before, there's a board game in here that you can create and play a board game with your kiddos. But my helpers and we would like to do something different. So you see that we're in the kitchen. We're going to bake. And so what we're going to bake is our muffins. The muffins are easy to do. Now remember, these kits are simply for fun. You want to engage your children, have fun. Like I said, play looks different. You just want to make sure that you're involving your kiddos in the activity that's taking place. And once before, like I said, everyday moments matter. So before we start our baking, I would like you all to hear from me and my kiddos about what we're thankful for. So I will go first. I am thankful for my health. With COVID happening, sometimes we forget about the little things, but right now health is something big, and I am grateful for my health. Deja, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for family and love.
Aaliyah, what are you thankful for?
Cheer.
So I am thankful for my health. Deja is thankful for her family and love. And Aaliyah is thankful for cheer. Okay, so let's get started. So we have our muffin mix. Aaliyah's going to pour it into a mixing bowl. And this, like I said, is a simple baking recipe. It just calls for a half a cup of milk. That's all you need. In your kit, you're going to find a wooden spoon. You can use this spoon and mix your muffin mix with, or you can just use a regular spoon and save this spoon for one of the activities where you can take your wooden spoon and make a person out of it, and it could be like your personal assistant when you're cooking. So we're going to just use a regular spoon, and I'm going to let the kiddos use this to decorate later. So Deja, I want you to pour this half a cup of milk, and we pre-filled it. Awesome, and then just set it back down there. And then I'm going to let them take turns mixing it up. So what you want to do is just mix it up and make sure you got it all mixed together. As I said before, okay, girls, start mixing. One of you. And then switch. Here. Okay, so as I said before, you preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You let that preheat, and then it only takes 14 to 16 minutes to cook, which is awesome. It doesn't take long. It takes cook until golden brown. You can take a fork, if you don't have a toothpick, to stick in once done to make sure that nothing comes out, which means that it is done and complete. So we have little muffin things. You don't need this, but we're going to use this. In your kit, you're going to find the little tin muffin pan that you can pour it in. And it says to fill it up like 2/3 way. So you can just eyeball that and you'll kind of know. Okay, girlies, let me see. All right, so we're going to just whisk it until it's all mixed up and it smells so delicious already, and it's not even in the oven. So you're going to do that, and it kind of will look like so. That lets you know that it's all mixed up. And so then what you're going to do is just take and put it in the muffin tin. All right, you try. Take a spoonful and put it in this one. Awesome. And then here, Aaliyah, you try. Can you switch places with your sister? Okay, you try. Put some more in that one. Awesome. And so what's going to happen is you're going to continue to feel. But just like Rachel Ray or Martha Stewart, you always have a product done. So I'm going to set that to the side and show you our final piece. Voila. Like so. It was easy to do. These here are blueberry muffins. So here, girls, try one. And you let our audience know how our muffins turned out. Aaliyah said thumbs up. Deja said thumbs up. So I think it is a success. So once again, this kit is called Everyday Moment Matters. It's important to take that extra minute to talk with your kiddos about everyday moments and what matters, okay? Remember, every day is a teachable moment. There are things happening day in and day out that can be teachable moments for your kids. So have fun, be thankful. I'm Jessica with First Chance for Children, and I'm signing off.